What's going on, YouTube? So today the O-rings arrived right here. So happy. I replaced most of the O-rings already. I replaced all of them except these ones right here. I'm gonna be doing these soon. So I have Footloose, Alpine, Roadblock, Gen 1. I couldn't find the rest of the mainframe, I think. And I think this is MP with this dog right here. Also replacing all the screws. Brand new screws right here. But once you change these O-rings, they feel new again. Like, it's so amazing. But the only thing is the legs are, some joints are loose, but it feels very new again. So let's see, we got Dial Tone, Jinx, Sergeant Slaughter, General Hawk that I recently just found, Flint, Leatherneck, I just put him back together. Who's this? Blaster, this green guy right here, Bazooka right there, number 14 shirt, Tunnel Rat, Sneak Peek, Crimson Guard, 2 Crimson Guards. One of his arms are broken right here. It's cracked right here. Can't find the other broken part. I would have glued it back. And we got Eel right here, complete with the flippers, the backpack, and his spear gun somewhere. And we got Road Pig. What's this one? Snow Serpent, Thrasher, some vintage Hulk that I used to play with the G.I. Joes, Mindbender, Raptor, Zanzibar, another eel in the back there. Serpentor is incomplete. I got 2 snake eye legs right here. Wish I had the rest of the body. One of Quick Kick legs. What's I got here? This guy, Mutt. What is his name? Moot or Mutt? I don't remember. But I only have one of his arms, 2 of his arms, his crotch piece, his head. I'm missing. So I'm gonna be fixing these O-rings right now on Footloose, Alpine, 2 Roadblocks, this MP guy, and well, that's it. And these are the 2 G.I. Joes we picked up yesterday. Storm Shadow, Snake Eyes. This one is what is this? Ninja Tech one. They didn't have the one where he's wearing all black, but that's okay, I'll find it soon. And I got that one about a couple weeks ago. Baroness. Never fan of Baroness. Never cared for that character when I was little either. But these are my favorite right here. Flint, General Hawk, Sergeant Slaughter, Jinx, Alpine right here. That was one of my favorites. And Bazooka. He was probably my first one I ever got. You can see I played with it a lot. You see his hair, paint faded on his hair, and Leatherneck. I used to play with this one a lot. His joints are very loose. Look at his arm. His arm is very loose. The Leatherneck, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting these back together right now. And we got Psych out here. Taylor just had him over there playing with him. I forgot to put him in the video. But this is Psych Out. He's in mint condition. As I think this was released later, 88 or 89. I bought it, but it didn't get played with much, so it's pretty like brand new condition. But I did change the O-ring on his. It didn't need to be changed, but I just changed it anyway. Also, Psych Out. I think that's his name. Well, here are the old O-rings. They're so horrible condition. They're like hard as a rock, and they just split. This one is hard as a rock. Look at it. It's a crunchy. Look, it just tears apart. See? All of them are like that. They're horrible. Look at this. This one's still soft, but it's worn out badly. Yeah, how many are here? I changed all the O-rings on them except these guys, which I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to replace the O-rings. It's very simple. Just get a Phillips, tiny Phillips. There you go. There goes the tiny little screw. And you just open it up like this. Come on. Ah, this one's a little tight. So you get a new O-ring. You get a new O-ring like this. There's the legs. Very simple. Anybody can do this. Hook it like that. Then you get the crotch part. Put it like that, and you'll want to get your screwdriver and just pull the O-ring through. Okay, just like that. And then there's the old O-ring. Look at that. And you take the back part like this, and you'll want to just hook it like so. Very, very simple. Anybody can do this. Oh, so you just go like that. That's very simple. The arms in like that. Where's the other arm go? Right. Oh. Okay, if you have big, stubby fingers, I don't think you can do this, because it's very hard to do. Some were easy, some were hard. This one seems to be a little harder than the rest. Look. So you'll want to rest his head on your finger so it doesn't flop over. And then you take the front, carefully. Oh,
nope.
I did that. Okay, so Alpine is giving me a hard time. It's usually very simple. Let's see. Carefully put it on. Snapped in. There we go. Awesome. You could choose to put a new screw, but I only replaced the screws that were rusty, the ones I used to play in the water with. This one I never put in the water. Screw is nice and shiny still. Put Alpine back together. There, surgery done, Alpine. Let's see, a little. Alpine is done. Your surgery is finished, brother. Yeah. I don't know where his backpack was. This, I think this was his giant backpack. I think. I'm not sure. You can't even stand. Yep. You can't even stand up with this giant backpack on. It'll just knock him over. He needs a stand. Yeah, he needs a stand. You can sit down though. But Jinx is the only one that has a stand. Okay, it's Footloose's surgery time now. Gotta bust out the new O-ring for him. Footloose is ready to be put back together. Good. Let's go, Footloose. Screw rusty? Nope, this one didn't get played with in water. Surgery time. Open it up. Look at that O-ring. Damn. Look at that. Boing, boing, boing. It's still rubbery. Still stretchy, but look at that. It broke apart. Okay, so where's the put that new O-ring right here? Very easy. Hook this to that. Hook it there. Get the crotch. Put that like so. Pull this through like this. Like this. There you go. Through. Now you get the back piece. Hook it to this. Like so. There we go. Like that. And then get the arms. This is really fun because it's like they feel so new again. And giving my G.I. Joe's life again. They can be played with again. Kato can play with them now. Oh, come on. Okay, stay there, stay. Okay, there we go. Don't fall off, head. Carefully put the front piece back on. Yay. Did it. Footloose is back to life. So awesome. Put the screw back in. Get your Phillips. Simple. Footloose is back. Yay! Thanks, bro. I'm back to life. I feel great, man. Awesome, brother. Thanks. I'll just sit over here. Okay, next to be operated on. Roadblock in the surgery room now. Time to get your O-ring changed, brother. Bring you back to life. Can't play with you like this. Hey, buddy, my legs. Oh, my legs will fall off. Ah. Okay. Simple. Oh, this one didn't go in the water either. Damn. Mint. Mint condition Roadblock. Look at that. Look at that Roadblock. Not a scratch on them. Just the O-ring. The O-ring fell off. Broke. Let's check out the O-ring. Let's see. Oh my god. Is it? Ew, is there a bug? Ew, look at that. Ew, a bug made a home in here or something. Look. Look at this. Look at. Ew, what is that in there? Oh, what is that? Some white stuff. I'll clean that out first. Okay, so cleaned up Roadblock. I don't know what the heck that was. Some corrosion or something. But here goes the new O-rings for Roadblock. Simple, easy fix. Oh, I don't know what this is. Sand? I think that's some retro sand. This is some retro sand from 1985, bro. Sandbox. Cool. Okay, so simple. Put it like that. Just like that. Arms on. Put the arms. I think this was a 1985 figure. Or 83, 85. This is the first Roadblock. This one would probably be the second one. He got a new wardrobe. But there we go. That was easy. That was so easy to fix this Roadblock. Man, this Roadblock is mint condition. That's not I played with it much. Feels brand new. The joints are stiff. Everything's stiff. Okay. With a new O-ring. Oh man. This thing feels brand new. Mint condition. Look at that. So cool. Awesome. Roadblock. Thanks, bro. I can walk again. Yay. Move, screwdriver. Yay, I can walk again. Thanks, bro. And let's see if I can stand. I can stand up too. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. What else we got left? We got the Roadblock. Fixing this MP guy now. His upper body was like crazy glued or something. I had to pry it open. But this is the last one. No, Roadblock is the last one. There we go. Sorry, Roadblock. Sorry to knock it over, brother. Okay, here we go. This one had crazy glue. It's so weird. Look. Oh. Something's in the way. That's so weird. This is the weirdest one I've encountered so far. Somebody put crazy glue and crazy glued the edges. I just had to pry it open. So I got the arms on. The head. And front on carefully. Ah, the head always pops off. There you go. His head is a little wobbly. Little. His screw is really new. No rust. Didn't put him in the water much. Or at all. Okay, Mr. MP, your surgery is done, brother. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.